Right, welcome back. Now we've got our spreadsheet working, what we're going to do is we're going to improve its functionality by what we're actually going to do is we're going to add a protect button. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my button from the developer tag again, and this time let's call this protect. I've already got one which I recorded earlier, so I'm just going to call this protect 1. I click on record here. All I'm going to do with this one here is I'm going to go to the view tab, the review tab, and I'm going to protect the worksheet. What you can see is you can see what I'm allowed to do on here. I'm not going to put in a password, because if you put in a password and you forget it, it's a bit of a pain to get it back. So don't ever put a password on your spreadsheets. Okay. Click on OK. Now, I need to go back to developer and make sure I stop recording. But now, once I press that button there, the worksheet is protected and I can't then change any of the details on there. Let's just right click on that button there, and you see that I can't alter it because the sheet is protected. So I'm just going to go back to review and I'm going to unprotect that sheet, and then I can edit the text on that button to put protect. Now, because I've protected that sheet, what I also need to do now is have a button so I can unprotect it. But the only way I can do that is unprotect that worksheet itself. So what I'm going to do here is back to developer, back to your buttons, put on your button, and this one is going to be my unprotect. So I'm going to call it unprotect 1 because I've recorded one already. Click on record, click on OK. Now for this time here, what I'm going to need to do, because the sheet isn't protected at the minute, I need to go to review, I need to protect the sheet, but then having protected it, I need to record that I've unprotected it. Make sure you go back to developer and make sure you stop recording. Right click and then edit the text so it now says unprotect. To make that button slightly wider so I can see the whole of the word. Now, when the sheet is unprotected, I can change things on the sheet. If I protect that worksheet, then I can't actually change anything on there. I need to unprotect it before I can change something.